Now 2a. 2a says prove each of these identities. Cos square x minus sin square x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos square x minus sin square x. Here we need to convert into cos square x. So instead of sin square x, we will write 1 minus cos square x. So cos square x minus, instead of sin square x, 1 minus cos square x. Then we can write cos square x minus 1 minus say plus cos square x. So cos square x plus cos square x will be 2 cos square x minus 1. And that is actually the right hand side. Now 2b says cos square x minus sin square x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So cos square x minus sin square x. Instead of cos square x, we can write 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So here 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x will be 2 sin square x. Done. Now C. Question number C says cos to the power 4x plus sin square x into cos square x. So here we can take cos square x as a common factor. Then we will get cos square x at first plus sin square x equal to cos square x into cos square x plus sin square x will be 1. So after multiplying cos square x by 1, the result will be cos square x. Now question number D. This is 2 into 1 plus cos x. That means 2 plus 2 cos x, 2 plus 2 cos x minus 1 plus cos x whole square. By using algebraic identity, we can say a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 1 plus cos x whole square will be 1 square plus 2 cos x plus cos square x. Or we can write 2 plus 2 cos x minus 1 minus 2 cos x minus cos square x. So 2 cos x minus 2 cos x, that will be 0. 2 minus 1, that will be 1 minus cos square x. And we know that 1 minus cos square x will be sin square x. Done. Now number E. Number E says 2 minus sin x plus cos x whole square equal to sin x minus cos x whole square. So 2 minus sin x plus cos x whole square, that is actually a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now, if we remove the bracket, then we can write, but we need to think another thing, that is sin square x plus cos square x. We know that by Pythagorean identity, we can say sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x, or 2 minus 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x. 2 minus 1, that can be written as 1. 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. Or we can write, instead of 1, sin square x plus cos square x. We need to bring it again. Sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 sin x cos x. Now, a square minus 2ab plus b square can be written as a minus b whole square. That is sin x minus cos x whole square. And this is the right hand side. Now, question number F. Question number F says cos to the power 4x plus sin square x equal to sin to the power 4x plus cos square x. So here, left hand side, cos to the power 4x plus sin square x. Here, look, cos to the power 4x can be written as cos square x into cos square x plus sin square x. Okay. So here cos square x represent 1 minus sin square x. So we can write cos square x into 1 minus sin square x plus sin square x. Or we can write cos square x minus cos square x into sin square x plus sin square x. Look, here cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x into sin square x. Okay. Now 1 minus 1 multiplied by sin square x can be written as sin square x minus when you say plus sin square x into sin square x sin to the power 4x. So 1 minus sin square x will be cos square x. So cos square x plus sin to the power 4x will be our answer. We can solve it in another way, that is cos to the power 4x plus sin square x. Suppose sin square x. What is sin square x? Sin square x equal to 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus cos square x, or 1 plus cos to the power 4x minus cos square x. Here 1 plus, if we take cos square x as a common factor, we will get cos square x minus 1. Okay. So 1 plus cos square x into cos square x minus 1 can be written as minus sin square x. Okay. So here 1 plus, instead of cos square x we can write 1 minus sin square x, and here plus into minus can be written as minus sin square x. Look, then we will get 1 minus sin square x plus sin to the power 4x, or cos square x plus sin to the power 4x. Look, both way we will get same answer.